My beloved child, I found you here scrolling endlessly through other people's highlight reels while your own story feels like deleted scenes, comparing your behind-the-scenes struggles to their carefully curated moments, wondering why everyone else seems to have figured out the secret to happiness while you're still searching for the instruction manual. I need you to stop right now and listen to something that will shatter the lies. Comparison has been whispering in your ear. You are not behind. You are not broken. You are not the exception to my goodness. That emptiness you feel watching others celebrate milestones you're still praying for. That ache when another pregnancy announcement appears while your arms remain empty. That sting when another engagement photo surfaces while you're still healing from heartbreak. I feel every pang of that pain because your heart is connected to mine. But beloved, I'm not withholding good things from you. I'm preparing better things for you. What looks like delay is actually divine timing, protecting you from settling for less than my best. My precious one, you've been measuring your worth by wedding rings you don't wear, degrees you haven't earned, numbers in bank accounts that mock your dreams, children you haven't conceived, promotions you haven't received. But I measure your worth by the love you give when you have nothing left, the hope you hold when evidence suggests despair, the faith you maintain when my silence feels like abandonment. You are rich in ways that matter eternally, successful in dimensions that outlast earthly achievements. I know you've been questioning if you missed your season, if your time has passed, if you're too old, too damaged, too late for the dreams I planted in your young heart. But my child, I don't operate on human timelines. Sarah laughed at my promise at 90 and held Isaac at 91. Moses thought his leadership days ended at 40, but led millions at 80. Your greatest chapter isn't behind you. It's being written right now in the waiting room where faith is forged. That specific thing you've been asking for, the one with a name attached, the one with a deadline approaching, the one that feels impossible from every human angle. I want you to know something that will restore your expectation. I specialize in last-minute miracles, 11th-hour interventions. Suddenly everything changes moments. What man calls too late, I call perfect timing. What circumstances declare impossible, I declare inevitable. You've been apologizing for still wanting what you've been praying for, feeling guilty for not being content with what you have, while longing for what you lack. But beloved, I placed those desires in your heart. I wouldn't have given you dreams I didn't intend to fulfill. Your longing isn't lack of gratitude, it's evidence of destiny. Your dissatisfaction isn't spiritual immaturity, it's divine discontent preparing you for divine fulfillment. My child, something is shifting in the spiritual realm as you read these words. Doors that have been locked are creaking open. Hearts that have been closed are softening towards you. Opportunities that seemed dead are resurrecting. Promises that felt forgotten are remembering their way to you. You're about to experience acceleration that makes up for every delay, multiplication that compensates for every loss, restoration that exceeds every expectation. Before this year ends, you'll hold proof that I never forgot your prayers, never ignored your tears, never abandoned your dreams. Your testimony is going to silence every voice that said it was too late, too hard, too impossible. Share this divine promise with 20 hearts that need to remember their season is coming, and subscribe to stay anchored in heaven's timing, because you're about to become evidence that God's delays are not denials. You are loved beyond measure, chosen beyond doubt, blessed beyond imagination. Your time is now, beloved. Amen.